guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to introduce you to what's going to go into the Corrado, and we're going to work on and tear down that motor. I purchased the motor from a junkyard, so I don't know exactly if it's in good condition or not, but we're going to end up finding that out today. So let me do some B-roll of the engine, and then we'll get into tearing it apart. Alright, so this is a 3.6 liter VR6. I pulled it out of a 2007 tour rig. We're going to rip into it today just so I can see if the internals are still good. I want to make sure that it's in time. I know these motors had a few issues, so I want to make sure that those are okay and that this motor will be worthy of putting in the Corrado. So let's tear into it and see what's going on with this thing. Right now I'm trying to remove the accessory side of the motor. So I'm going to take these three M10s out to get the serpentine belt tensioner off so that I can get to the alternator. And then we'll take the compressor off for the AC, and then we'll take the power steering pump off, and then I'll be able to get to the accessory bracket and get it off. Taking these bolts off to get the pulley off so that I can get the pump off so that I can get access to the compressor bolts to get that off. While I was doing this, I figured I'd tell everybody the little trick on getting these connectors undone for the people who don't know. If you just compress this connector and then pull back on the finger, most of the times it'll release every time. Or you could always take a screwdriver and stick it in there and friggin' crank on it and break it off. Don't do that. Alright, so I took the timing covers off of the 3.6 and it don't look too good. I don't know if it had bent any valves or anything. Most likely it did. So I don't know if I'm going to pull the head on it or not. Probably will. But if you take a look, it has broken the timing guides. They're all just kind of smashed. There's pieces of it hanging out where it's not supposed to be. I'm gonna do the chains and guides in the motor anyway. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Again, thank you all for following the Corrado build. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can keep on following the future content. And that's it. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
When